Okay, now we are going to put the nut. This is a little bit longer, so I just cut it to the size of the fingerboard over here, so we can put it inside. All right, that's good. Now we are going to measure right, the string margin from the edge, from the corner to the sixth string will be around 4 mm, 4 to 5 mm. So that will be the sixth string. You have here something like, yeah, exactly 5 mm, 4.5. And the other side, all right. So you have here something like, maybe a little bit, yes, that one and this one. And then you're going to divide that to 6 because we have 6 strings. So maybe around, I can just calculate it, I suppose. Yeah, it should be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, don't overboard. Now where did I put the pencil? Yeah. The concept of the nut is like if you have a 0 fret here. So the height of this one should be the height of this one. This is maybe now a little bit lower than 2 mm, so around 1.2. Yeah. So I'm just write a line here. And then I wrote a line here. And then the depth I should go will be around 2 mm. Leaving 2 mm. So I will not go beyond this line. Yes, I'm going to put it back. Make sure that it's dead flat. All right, now I'm going to make a slot. In fact, I was trying to make one already. All right. Okay, so I'll change the file to a finer one, the triangle one. I think it's better. And we kind of make an angle like this, so the string will go over here. Yeah. I don't want to go too much, so it won't buzz. All right. And you do the same thing for all the rest. Okay, but before I continue on that, I want to see if we put the strings on, what the action will be. We call it action, how high this is. If it's too high, it's very hard to play. So we want to make sure that it's comfortable, and normally we are going to set it up over here to around 4 mm. So that's a little too high. So we have to lower the bone here. Okay, the proportion is, if you lower 2 mm here, it will lower on the 12th fret 1 mm. So it's 1:2. So if I want to make it, say around 4 mm here, you don't want to go too low either. Alright, maybe up to there. So I'm going to, almost half. Up to there. I'm going to do it slowly, step by step. So I'm going to reduce the height of this one. Maybe up to there. Okay. I can use my spoke shape to do this. I mean my planer, Japanese planer. I hope it works. make it an angle like this so that the clearance, it will not be too cornered. Check first, one more time before I continue lowering it. It's still a little too high, so I'm going to go down some more. Yes, very good. The sandpaper is attached, everything, and the corners, and the neck. I want to make sure that it's comfortable, so I might shave a bit more over here and over here. I have to touch it, and also the corners, all this one, everywhere. We need to sandpaper this. The side and the back. Okay, we used the sandpaper with the block, which will be inside the kit. Now I'll show you what we do after this. We are going to apply wax as we had for the head part of the guitar, but this time we're going to do everything, well, except for the neck. Sometimes I leave the neck not totally finished because I want to feel with the strings how comfortable it is. But anyway, this will be like, yeah, get some here and then you apply on the fingerboard so it looks nice and will be protected from our sweat and all the dirt that will accumulate once we start practicing or using the guitar. So you're going to do all the way up to there, even the bridge. I want to put that to protect it from the humidity and yeah, because wood is hygroscopic, which means it will absorb humidity, and when it does absorb humidity, it will shrink or it will swell, and we don't have too much. So you want to put from here, and later on you do the whole body, but I'll just show you. I'm using a pad here with some wax which will be in the kit, and I go around like this. And I'm gonna do the whole guitar everywhere, all the parts. Alright, for example here, and then also the side. It comes out to be darker once it's with the wax. Normally I'll do it after doing one coat of this. I'll leave it overnight and then do another coat because this will sink a little bit and the wood will absorb it a little bit, so I want to make sure that there's enough everywhere. So that's how it will look. You have to do the whole part, and also the back, for example, the back. Alright, I was wondering if I would put the strings on this guitar, but maybe I can show you how it looks like once the wax has been applied. So you can see this one, I was just showing it to you. Now this is the finished thing. See, the color changes a little bit. It's become a little bit darker and looks more, how do you say it, lustrous perhaps. And then the side, you can see now the real nice grain, the flame part. Oops. Here, you know, here you don't really see anything, but once it's done, you will see that it's really pretty wood. There you go.